schools sold. The whole economy is sold. Electricity is sold. Ranches sold. So what do we have for rescue right now? Kitwina Bunyoro kukozesa is just common sense. It is time for us to revolt. We just need to revolt. I expect no mercy. Expect no merciful words from me. The one who doesn't fear me is the one I fear. But that is only one, the Almighty. So let us die like Jesus. I don't care. But the president right now, the whole world knows. Even President Museveni knows. The president now is Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu.
The man of all citizens.
The whole world knows the president of Uganda right now is Robert Ssentamu Kyagulanyi. I repeat.
Yes.
Even the devil, even Almighty God, they all know it together this time.
Yes.
That the president is Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu.
Yes, sir.
Whoever lies to the Bunyoro next time, neither the devil nor God will forgive that one. I pledge we are winning. I'm going to say people power. Our power. Our power. People power. Now my pledge is our power is better than their power. I pledge. Any question about that? These are our forces, the dear forces, the police. We promised $1 million shillings increment to the security. That thing is pinching. That money is there. I know where it is. All debts that have been accumulated in Museveni's regime. Once Museveni leaves power, whoever gave money to Museveni, it be China, England, USA, all those debts we don't know. Mukahora Museveni, okay? Did he pledge Ugandans? No. We are not paying those debts. I will be in parliament, I will table it. We are not paying for somebody who stole. Ours is a new government. We are still breastfeeding. Anybody who is doubting that, hold me accountable. I am Kanti Rogers, the warrior from Bunyoro. I care minus about problems. Any question? Pose a question to the warrior. Come next year, Ali. The president of Uganda is swearing in. That is Robert Kyagulanyi. If the devil comes back to this country, the Pearl of Africa. The Pearl of Africa is not supposed to bleed. But right now, the Pearl of Africa is bleeding. Who is responsible? You, the citizens. You are all responsible for this nonsense. Every citizen is responsible for the nonsense we're going through. Should you do this again when Kanti Rogers is alive, I will look for you with lightning, thunder, earthquake. That's when you'll understand that things are not to play about this time. Education cannot go rotten like this. And you're watching. Infrastructure cannot go decayed like this. And you're watching. Ministry of Health cannot decay and smell like this. And you're watching. What the hell is this in the absence of what? What's the hell of this? Is this that you're thinking? I want to resurrect everybody's brain. Whoever is watching here, your brains must wake up. Whoever doesn't know where the brains are, where are your brains? And you show me your shoes. Your brains are in the shoes. I will slap sense into you. It is time for a revolution. The oppressor cannot hand over this power, but the oppressed have to demand for it. Power belongs to the people. And then we say, people power. Our power. Our power. People power. Revolt. I told you our power is better than their power, not so? So it's time for a revolution. I thank you very much. Let's meet in Masindi. Destination after here is Masindi. Thank you very much. Yeah. We are waiting for the president shortly. This is Kanti Rogers, the warrior, born in Masindi. I've grown up surviving, but I'm next to living. I want you also to live like I'm living. You must have the liberty to speak like this. Aspiring MP, no candidate MP Masindi municipality. I'm sending one person out who has decayed Bunyoro, and he's from Masindi, the constituency where I'm standing. Expect no mercy. We are winning by favor. They are winning by Do you know how they win? They are winning. We are winning. If it comes to that win, we are not there. I surrender myself. But if it comes to the winning, we are winning. I pledge the win is ours. Country Rogers says from Bunyoro, Baganda, Banyoro, Bakika, Barugwara, Baruru, Balango, Bacholi, Bagisu, Basoga, nyinyi yote, Fakia, Garcia. Everybody is supposed to sweep this nonsense out of this country. I'm a veteran of nonsense. I don't tolerate nonsense. All of you become veterans of nonsense. Send decay off. It is our time to exhibit our potential. Resurrect. Mbasabira Banyoro nywena. Mubinge Garcia ya yere byano tagaruka gisanga uko. Tesa kujja konka ibere lya kabalega. Niba kweze kabaragara no gabo ikibanja kyoso kiona. Omwana Bunyoro ana karumwana mujja tujumire. Akagamba abatunzire Bunyoro mulifani mununga. I don't know, it was Crusher.
Badman Crusher.
I like that guy for that. You sell your father's land, you have to die smelling. That parliament is supposed to become new. We must replace the constitution. That one we just have to get all those copies and burn them and form a new constitution. So thank you very much. The warrior requests to go and attend to other people. Okay. It's a pleasure.
Okay.
John.
Oyo nno y'omwami yeesimbyewo mu Bunyoro, yeesimbyewo sayidi ze Bunyoro mu Masindi, yeesimbyewo sayidi ze Masindi eyo. Omwami ye agambye legend, warrior of nonsense, kyategeeza tayagalira ddala nonsense. Bigambo bye mubyewuliriddeko omukulu oyo, era ng'ab'e Masindi mumulabiranga ddala. Ab'e Masindi omwami oyo mumulabiranga ddala. Tukyaliko wano bagiyita Spice FM. Pulezidenti waffe akyaliyo, akyalina obubaka bwawa abantu b'ekitundu kino ekyahoyima okuyitira ku rediyo eyo. Abahoyima nsuubira mwatuninze inidda. Pulezidenti waffe atuninze ku rediyo eyo, bannange mubeereeko abali mu Hoima Spice Radio. Pulezidenti waffe wakyali era nga ffenna konvoyi yonna ekyali wano, konvoyi yaffe ekyali wano ekyalindiridde pulezidenti amale okwogera ku rediyo eyo, then naffe tuleke ate nga tweyongerayo. Pulezidenti wamaliriza tulabike nga ate tweyongerayo. Mpola tukyali wano. Presidential convoy y'amaanyi nno, amaanyi nga wogirengera olwo lwenna oluseregende lw'emmotoka lw'olaba. Presidential convoy gye tutambuliramu. Tulinda omukulu pulezidenti waffe asooka ave ku rediyo awo kwali, then ate twolekere. Olwaleero tulinayo okugenda e Buliisa, tulina okugenda Kiryandongo, then tugende ne Masindi. Ezo district 3 ze tulina okuba olunaku olwaleero mwe baganda bange. Kambasibulire wano, mwebale nnyo okubeera ku Kero TV. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.